Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you some advice about building an app with no code. What are the main choices if you're looking to build an app for your membership website or your community? At WP-Tonic, we've got a load of experience in this area. There's about three main choices out there if you're looking to get an app built for your website business. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So you're looking to build an app and you're looking at some of the no-code solutions and other solutions out there that can get you up and going, producing an app for your community, for your membership website. So what do you need to know? Well, there's three main choices, three buckets here. There's solutions, SaaS and WordPress solutions that can turn your website into an app. Um, a- Here's a list of the main players. There's about three main players in this area. If you're looking at WordPress, the main option is Buddy Boss. Um, you can turn your website into a Buddy Boss website, and then you can get Buddy Boss to produce an app for you, which is totally white labeled. It doesn't have any external branding on it. That starts at around $2,000 plus about 150 to 170 per month. Um, that is a very cost-effective solution. Another one is Mighty Networks. Um, they have a solution that starts at around $50 a month to 100, but it has all their branding all over it. To get them to produce a solution that is white labeled, i.e. has your branding on it, that varies. That's price on request. Another solution is Learn Worlds. They have a solution. You have to utilize one of their higher plans to get the app. And like I say, you have to go further up their solutions to not have their branding on it. Um, so have a look at what they've got to offer. The next solution is basically you have two operating systems that are running on phones. You've got Android, and that's Java. And then on iOS, that is basically a form of Apple's operating system that's been cut down. It's based on Linux with their own wrapper on it. Now, to get an app to work on both, you can go native, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But there are builders out there that enable you to build your app, and it will work both on Android and on iOS. And they do this by using mostly, not always, but most of the leaders use some form of React, which is a form of JavaScript. And it has a drop and drag and drop interface, and you can build your elements. Um, Depending on which of these platforms that you choose, um, gives you more functionality and you can do more things. You basically, there's a half a dozen of these platforms out there at different price points. I've written an article, you find the link in the video description. Um, that gives you more details and the pricing and everything about these drag and drop. Um, some of them are more easier to use than others. But it just really depends on the level and the kind of functionality you're looking to build in your app. Um, I'm not going to be lying to you. It does depend if you haven't got any experience on building a website or app at all. you're probably going to be better to employ somebody to help you with it. But it's still going to be a lot more easier than building native. Now, like I say, the third and final solution is building natively, and you're going to have to build. If you build natively, you're going to have to build an app that works on Android and an app that works on iOS. But there are modern um, languages that you can produce just one code base and it will work, like Swift. And there's 2 to 3 modern programming languages that allow you to develop from the ground up. This is a large undertaking. You do also, where the no-code solutions, they offer a system to publish to Android or to iOS. If you're going natively, you're gonna have to um, approach both Android and Apple and get your app published, and that can be, especially for the first time, that can be time consuming. But why do people still look at native? Well, the no-code solutions or the done-for-you solutions like Buddy Boss or Mighty Network um, is speed. A native application will always be quicker than the two that I've mentioned, but the differences have narrowed considerably. I would say that the native solution is only really worthwhile if you've got the budget and you're just looking for the best experience for users, or you've got an extremely demanding app where getting that last bit of speed is important. But I would say that, in my own opinion, it's only the top 10%. I would say 90% of the market probably could look at some of the other solutions I've mentioned in this video and they'll be entirely happy with them. I've written an article, I said that. You find that in the video description, the link to it, and it goes into all the choices and goes into this in a lot more detail. You can also go to the WP-Tonic website and book a quick chat with me, which is totally free, and we can go through what might be the best solution for you. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.